Nistuff.
Hey, what's up? So we got some more of these. Two more packs to be exact. They're just too much fun not to, right? In the first video, we were buying them for the first time, and we didn't get any dupes, which was pretty surprising. So going into this batch, I was pretty worried about doubles, since we got like 1/5 of the entire series so far. And buying more makes the chance of avoiding dupes pretty slim, right? But hey, we did it, and we only managed to get one double. So let's go through them real quick. We got the rings out of the way up front, pink and orange, and each one comes with a checklist, and it looks something like this. It's pretty good. Next, we got the mayor herself, Katrina. Yeah, so this was the first one Kat opened from this new batch, and, it's pretty exciting stuff to immediately pull one of the rarest ones, right? She's a UV color change cat mermaid, and she's just great. Next, we got some more cherries, and at first I thought this was a dupe, but it's not. The first cherries we got were color change, and these are covered in glitter, so that's pretty neat. Next, we got Rashida, and she's a beautiful radish, giving me the Mario Doki Doki Panic vibes, Next, we got Prince Popular, who's another UV color change figure. Next, we got Tuesday, who's a beautiful temperature color change taco with a mustache. Incredible, right? Next, we got Zorg, who's amazing. We got Neely in the first video. So consider me satisfied, right? Oh, and they're also half glow in the dark and half metallic, just like the other guys. It's awesome. Next, we got the one and only dupe for this batch. It's Nimbus. They're a UV color change figure. It's pretty good. Next, we got one of the biggest surprises. It's Poppy, the rainbow caterpillar. Her dislikes include being hungry, pesticides, and rain. Same, Poppy. Same. Next, we got River, who's a beautiful glow-in-the-dark frog. And last but not least, we got Rex, the grumpy glow-in-the-dark T-Rex. Here's our pulls all together. Has anyone else opened or even seen these in Target? I did a quick search on YouTube and found nothing. But maybe my Target just got them early or something, right? I don't know. If you have any interest in what you've seen here today and you find these at Target, I totally recommend them. Especially if you can open them with a friend or something. Even the packaging pops. It's awesome. And that's it. That's all of them I got. Popit pets. Again, these things rule, man. I don't know what to tell you. They're like functional silly bands, right? Just fun little blind bag sensory toys to have on your desk or hang off your bag or whatever. Love it. But that's going to do it for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, Instagram, Twitter. You know what to do. All right. Bye.